In today's video, we delve into a groundbreaking study that has discovered a startling new contributor to cardiovascular disease: microplastics lodged in arterial plaques. Introduction to atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis, the buildup of plaque in the arteries, is responsible for about 50% of all deaths in Western society. Plaques are composed of cholesterol, fats, and now researchers have discovered microplastics. This new finding comes from researchers at the University of Campania Luigi Vanvitelli in Italy, who have identified microplastics within arterial plaques. The study, Microplastics in Arterial Plaques. In a study published in the New England Journal of Medicine, scientists examined plaques removed from patients undergoing carotid endarterectomy, a procedure to clear blocked arteries. They found that 60% of these plaques contained polyethylene microplastics, and 12% contained polyvinyl chloride, or PVC. Implications: increased risk of heart attacks and strokes. The presence of microplastics is not just a curiosity. The study revealed that individuals with microplastics in their arterial plaques were 4.5 times more likely to suffer a heart attack, stroke, or die within approximately 34 months after their surgery compared to those without microplastics in their plaques. What are microplastics? Microplastics are tiny plastic particles less than 5 millimeters long. They are either manufactured like microbeads and glitter or formed from the breakdown of larger plastic products. These particles can enter our bodies through food, water, air, and even through our skin. Humans and animals can encounter microplastics through contaminated tap and bottled water, fish, food salts, and bee honey. Health impacts of microplastics. Previous research has linked microplastics to disrupted hormones, impaired immunity, and negative effects on the gut microbiome. This study is the first to associate them with cardiovascular disease. Dr. Rafael Marfella, lead author of the study, emphasized the need to understand how these inert materials influence our arterial health. Experts like Dr. Yuming Ni, a cardiologist at Memorial Care Heart and Vascular Institute, described these findings as a terrifying revelation. So what can we do? Experts like Rebecca Fuoco from the Green Science Policy Institute suggest that reducing plastic use and seeking alternative materials are crucial steps. Here are some practical measures you can take to avoid microplastics. Use reusable items. Opt for glass water bottles, cloth bags, and glass containers instead of single-use plastics. Avoid products with microbeads. Check labels and avoid personal care products that contain microbeads. Reduce plastic packaging. Choose products with minimal or eco-friendly packaging. Properly dispose of plastics. Ensure plastics are recycled correctly and not discarded in the environment. Use natural fabrics. Choose clothing made from natural fibers like cotton, wool, or bamboo, which shed fewer microplastics compared to synthetic materials. Filter your water. Use water filters that can remove microplastics from tap water. Avoid synthetic fibers in clothing. When possible, choose clothes made from natural fibers and wash synthetic fabrics less frequently to reduce fiber shedding. Limit processed foods. Processed foods often come with plastic packaging, so reducing your intake can decrease your exposure. Participate in cleanup efforts. Join local cleanup events to help reduce plastic waste in your community. Support policies to reduce plastic use. Advocate for and support policies aimed at reducing plastic production and waste. Stay informed. Stay healthy. Subscribe for more.